All right, we're gonna tie the pile hitch. The pile hitch is used to attach your throw line to the climbing line to tow the climbing line up over your anchor point into the tree. Now there are a dozen ways to do this. This is one way that is very streamlined in case you have a tight union that you're still trying to get the rope through. To tie the pile hitch, you are going to create a bite at the end of your throw line, lay your climbing line over top of it, and then you're going to take that bite down and around the climbing line, and then you're going to poke the end of the climbing line through the bite that you made, and you're going to pull that tight, and it'll create kind of a girth hitch there. And then you're going to add a couple of half hitches to the end of your line. There we go. Like so. Cold fingers, like that. And that is how you tie the pile hitch. So that would go up and over the fork, right? And then come back down as such. And what's nice about the pile hitch is, unless you have a big chunk of tape on the end, you can normally take this and it'll just kind of flake off the end of the rope if you haven't had to pull too tight. Kind of like that. Right? And your climbing line is installed.